Hello everybody, this is Peter Tusick, Brand Ambassador of Blindness Products for Humanware, and I'm coming at you with another snapshot tutorial video, and in this one we're going to be looking at another new feature in version 1.2 of the firmware for the BI 20 and 40X units, and that is the ability to work with bookmarks in our editor. And this is very useful if you are working with a larger file or a file you return to often where you maybe want to anchor a point that you might want to edit, or maybe just jump to a certain piece of the document quickly. So I'm going to show you how to insert, how to go to, and how to remove bookmarks. This will be a very linear process in terms of it being numbered bookmarks. So when we save a bookmark, it will be saved with a digit, and I will go through the process. So I am in a document that I have open in my editor, and my document has a sentence, and we'll just use this one sentence as an example. It is, "We are going to have a great day here today." Now, if I wanted to place a bookmark into this, I'm going to route my cursor using a cursor router key. There is one above every braille cell. So if you have a 20 cell unit, you will have 20 cursor routing keys. If you have a 40 cell unit, you will subsequently have 40 cursor routing keys. I'm going to place my cursor on the G in going. So we are going, and the letter G has my cursor underneath it. Dots 7 and 8 are present. If I want to insert a bookmark here, I'm going to press enter with the letter B as in bookmark. When I do this, I will receive a menu that says insert bookmark, and there is an edit box with the number of bookmark that's predetermined. So if this is my first bookmark, it's going to put number 1 in, or if I already have 2 bookmarks in, it might put 3 or 4 or 5 or 6. You can change this if you would like to. So if for some reason you are dead set on having the only bookmark in your file be number 3, you can certainly write 3 in your literary braille code, which is what we'll be using in this case, unless of course we're working in computer braille. But I'm going to be using literary braille, and I can change this if I want to. Otherwise, I can just keep it as 1, and I'm going to press enter, and it will input my bookmark. So now I have a bookmark in the document. I receive a message that says bookmark 1 inserted, and therefore I have now placed a bookmark in my document. And let's put one more in. So again, we are going, and the word going would be where I placed my first bookmark. If I wanted to place my next one, let's say on the word day. So I route my cursor to that word day, to the first character. In my case, this is a .5D because I'm working in UEB contracted braille. But if I place my cursor under that letter, under that character that is, I'm going to press insert B again. And now again, I see an edit box. It's going to say insert bookmark. The number 2 is present. I could change this if I wanted to. Keep in mind, if I tried to make this 1 again, I'm going to get an error because you cannot have 2 bookmarks with the same numbering. So this is going to be bookmark number 2. I will press enter, and I receive a bookmark 2 inserted message there. So again, I've put in a couple of bookmarks in my document, and now I'll show you how to jump to them. So if I'm at the top of my file or anywhere, I can press enter with the letter J. Think of the word jump to. Enter with the letter J to go to a specific bookmark. On my braille display, I receive a message that says go to bookmark, and then I am placed in an edit box where I can write in the number of the bookmark I would like to jump to. If I type in the number 1 here and press enter, my cursor is placed right at the beginning of that first bookmark, which is going to be the G, where I input that bookmark first. So again, we can jump to a bookmark as long as we know the number of the bookmark we'd like to go to. We can also remove bookmarks. So if we wanted to remove a bookmark, I would press enter with M as in manage. So we want to manage our bookmarks. Enter with M brings me into bookmark management. Here's where I will see the insert option. I see the go to option. If I space again, I get to the remove bookmark option. If I press enter on remove, I will then be placed into a dialog box that says remove bookmark. I'm in my edit box here. I can type in, let's say I want to remove bookmark number 1. I will type in the number 1 and press enter, and it will say bookmark 1 deleted. And now in my document, I only have bookmark 2 present because I haven't deleted that one yet. So you can certainly utilize this as needed, but you can certainly place bookmarks in your editor. This is very similar to what we do in Victor Reader, of course, when we're placing bookmarks in books that we may be reading from Bookshare or NFB Newsline or some books we may have brought in. This is very similar, but it allows us to do this in an editable context, right, in our files. Just wanted to come at you with another quick snapshot tutorial video. We hope you find this feature useful. And again, this is available in version 1.2 of the Brilliant BIX series firmware. Thank you, everybody, and I hope everyone has a wonderful day.